So first, we're just going to unravel the cornrows just to loosen up the cornrows. This cornrow, she has been carrying it for a long time. She said she hardly makes her hair because of the fact that that it's painful to make, that loosening the hair and making the hair is usually painful for her, that she has like a sensitive, a soft core or a soft scalp, so her hair actually pains her, so that's why she hardly makes her hair. So this particular weaving, she has been carrying it for like months. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. It's been a minute. I'm so sorry, I've been keeping you guys for a long time, like I've not uploaded any video for a long time. I decided to take a break just to chill off and all. So yeah, how are you doing today? How is everybody doing today? For me, I'm fine, and I'm trying to fix some things, like just trying to figure out some stuff in my life. So today's video is going to be on this client. She has not relaxed her hair for a long time, like for a very long time, and her hair right now is about 8 years old. So she decided to come over for us to relax her hair, and yeah, I just decided to film the video as well because it's almost like her first time of relaxing. So I just wanted to like show you guys her reaction before and after, and then the whole process, or how we also like apply chemical or apply relaxer on client's hair. And she's also scared of chemicals as well. So the texture of her hair is 4C and it's really full and thick. For the relaxer, we are going to be using this Dark and Lovely Beautiful Beginning Scalp Care Relaxer. It's for kids, and since her hair actually hurts her very well, so we decided to use this kit relaxer. And this kit relaxer is for both sensitive scalp and also like soft scalp. If you have soft scalp or sensitive scalp, you can use this relaxer. It's not so harsh. It's mainly for kids, but as an adult, you can use this as well. So if your hair is full and you're just trying the relaxer for the first time, and you have like a soft or sensitive scalp, you have to try like this kit relaxer, like I said before, or any kit relaxer around, because this product itself is mild in a way, like it's not so harsh to the scalp, and it's really mild on the scalp. So for application, what we usually do is just to section the hair into like either 2 or 4 portions, different portions, or sometimes we just section into 4 portions. After application, we join everything together into like a single portion. So that's what we like to do. This is so that the chemical or the relaxer will be able to go around the parameters of her head. So yeah, I will start applying the product on the root of her hair because she has like a full hair. We're supposed to use about 2 packs of this product because her hair is so full, but she said she just wants to use only one and see how it goes because it's her first time. So yeah, that's why we are using this one. So we'll start by applying the product on the scalp of her hair or the root of her hair first, and then once we are sure that the root is almost relaxing, we'll now start applying on the tip of the hair. We're actually doing this again because of the quantity of the product, since it's our first time of relaxing. So we are applying it generously, like we're just applying it generously. We're applying like generous amount of the product on the tip of the hair. So we'll apply first on the root of the hair and then gravitate towards the tip of the hair. And for the tip of the hair, we're not going to apply so much because of the product. So like I said before, if you have her kind of texture of hair, you should do like 2 packs of this kit relaxer. And I think it also comes in sachet, so you can do like 2 sachets or 3 sachets. That's if it's your first time, but this one is like a kit. It's a kit pack. Hope you guys get what I mean. And for the application, we're using our hands covered with gloves, so any gloves will do to apply this. And we'll be applying in section, same quantity on different sections. So like that, we'll just be applying. After applying with our hands, so any portion we apply, after applying it, we just like to massage it a little bit so that the product can just spread out and function well. So after applying with our hands, just go ahead to start using comb. So the first thing we like to do first is to use like a big comb to comb the hair first before we start using like a small comb to still further comb the hair. This is so that it can help the product process really fast. So like I said before, I usually like to section the client's hair into 4 different portions before starting the application. This application will actually help the product go around the parameters of her head. Alright, we would like to know what you guys think, or how do you guys apply relaxer on your clients, because I get this question a lot, so many suggestions. Like anytime I upload any video of me relaxing somebody's hair or any client's hair, you guys get to suggest some tips and also try to like correct me in a way. So what do you guys think about this method? Is this something that you do? And if you do it differently, please let us know in the comment section so that everybody will learn from each other. So let's just get chatting in the comment section.
I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since 06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, only know me know me. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I get lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love, I've seen that way, put me leave out. I do with the world, I've seen that. We are nobody who Jehovah. And I'm the Lord that they go far. Who's the gold, but that they bow. That's how they move with Shita. And then I really put you too far. Midnight, no, I got Shita. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm wrong, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my home. Whenever you're down, I'll be there.
So after applying, we'll allow the hair to just relax. We'll just allow the hair to relax for like 15 minutes and then go ahead to first rinse out the relaxer, that's the chemical, before going to use the shampoo and also the conditioner that came with the kit, or that came with the relaxer.
My hair is going to
Then after that, we just go ahead to use hand dryer to help dry the hair faster. So yeah, this is what it looks like after relaxing. And because the relaxer wasn't enough, so the tip did not really relax so well, like it didn't relax properly. So that's why her hair is looking this way, but the root of her hair is looking so relaxed, and she says she likes it like that, but she's going to come back again to relax the tip of her hair. So yeah, looking forward to her, and she coming back will be like after like 3-4 months. It's not going to be almost immediately, to relax the tip, both the tip and the root as well. So after relaxing that tip the second time and the root, subsequently her relaxing will just be on the root alone. This is so that it doesn't break her hair. That's so that the chemical or the relaxer does not break her hair. So like I said before, if your hair is this full, I would advise that you use 2 packs of this relaxer so that everything will relax once. That's the tip and the root. And so that subsequently when you want to relax your hair, you just get to relax only the root of the hair alone. But if you are like you've already relaxed your hair and you're you want to use this product, I think one pack will be enough. Not I think, one pack will be enough for you to relax just the root of your hair. But if you are relaxing like it's your first time natural hair, you have to get like 2 packs. That's it if you want the tip of your hair to relax very well.
I'm talking crazy.
Moving on, right now I'm applying the hair cream that came with the pack of the relaxer, just applying it to the scalp of her hair, like in portions or in sections, and after that we just go ahead to massage the hair or massage the scalp of her hair. This is so that the hair cream can just spread out, and also so that the blood around the head can also, like, you know, spread out as well, just to relax the head. Just to make the tip of the hair look a little bit relaxed, I will just go ahead to use hand dryer to stretch out the hair a little bit. But before then, I actually sprayed like heat protectant around her hair first before using the hand dryer to stretch out the hair. This is so that it can protect the hair from breaking as well.
Oh yeah, now do it. When you done it finish, don't say do it again.
So yeah, this is what it looks like, just styling the hair that's into a pony, and after that we'll go ahead to style her edges as well. She doesn't want anything too serious. She just wants it to look as simple as possible. So yeah, here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching. So what do you guys think? Is this how you relax your client's hair? Is this method a good method? Do you do this method, or do you have something different to tell us? Let's just get chatting in the comment section, because you know everybody learn every day. So I think it would be so nice for you to just leave a comment. Let us know how you do yours, or how you relax your own hair, or how you relax your client's hair, so that we'll all learn from each other. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share the video to friends and family, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.